People are quietly growing their pages with this niche right now. While many creators are still stuck making the same old content, these point of view magic videos could be your next opportunity. They are satisfying to watch, highly engaging, and people love this style of content. So before everyone else jumps on the trend, give it a try. The best part, these videos are surprisingly easy to create. With my free master prompt, you can create this exact style of content in just a few minutes. So let's go through the complete workflow step by step. The first step is the master prompt. If you want the exact master prompt, comment prompt below and I will send it to you. Now copy the prompt, paste it into ChatGPT and click generate. Within seconds, ChatGPT will generate 10 different point of view magic video ideas. For this tutorial, I am choosing idea number 10. You can choose any idea you like or simply type more to generate even more ideas. Once you choose an idea, ChatGPT will generate one complete video prompt that's ready to use. Now copy the prompt, head over to Google Flow. Switch to the video section, choose OmniFlash as your model, set the duration to 10 seconds, paste the prompt and click generate. Wait for the render to finish. And that's it. Your AI POV Magic video is ready. Now let's watch the final result together. If you want more viral AI niches, AI workflows, and trending content ideas before everyone else discovers them, leave a like, comment the niche you'd like me to cover next, and make sure to subscribe. I will see you in the next video.